Trick 1, we are going to show you how to make the most simple breakfast pancakes. They've only got 3 ingredients. So we are going to start with an egg. So you start stirring that up for me, and I'm going to measure out 1 cup of flour. Now obviously at the moment we're all at home a little bit more, but I think it's really important, especially with kids, to try and maintain a good daily routine. And what is the first thing that we do every single morning when we get up? Well, we have breakfast, don't we?
Yeah.
We have breakfast, and breakfast is a great way of starting your day and creating a good routine. The good thing about this recipe is that it's 1 egg, 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of milk. So Jackson, tip that in. Dun, dun, dun. So then next we're gonna add our milk. Now, what do we look for when we're buying milk?
The tractor.
The red tractor logo. Here it is. There we go. So when you look for the red tractor logo, it's really good because it means that your milk has been produced to really good quality standards from the farm to the shelf. We're gonna tip that in. Milk provides protein, which is important for bone and muscle growth in children, which means Jackson will grow up big and strong. Show us your muscles. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some fruit into these pancakes as well. We're gonna cook these ones plain, and then we are gonna add some yummy toppings afterwards. This should be ready now. Let's pour it in. The trick with pancakes to know when to turn them over is when bubbles all start appearing at the top. It means that the bottom has started to cook, and then you can either flip it if you're feeling very confident, or you can cheat and just use a fish slice or a spatula. Jackson, pancakes!
Good.
Yummy? Good, good. Delicious.